Game changers. As John C. Maxwell said, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily. Installing new habits is like planting a seed, watering it, and making sure it's properly rooted. 6 techniques for installing good habits. Number 1. Set yourself up to succeed. Any new habit has to work inside your life and lifestyle. Like you want to join gym, but it's miles away and you won't go. Or if you are a night owl, gym closes at 6 pm, you won't be able to go. So it has to be convenient, close, and should fit into your schedule. Number 2. Think addition, not subtraction. This means think of what you will be adding in your lifestyle instead of thinking about what you would be taking out of your lifestyle. For example, you have a habit of binging the shows and you want to get rid of it. Think what you would like to do if you had 3 hours of free time daily. Pick a hobby that you always wanted to explore and add that hobby into your lifestyle. Think of what you can choose to add in so you can enrich your life experience. Number 3. Go for PDA. PDA is public display of accountability. Picture yourself taking the oath. Once you put everything out on a public record, you know you will be held responsible for any actions that rolls back on your promise, and you will be praised for any progress towards the goal. Tell your friends, family, post on Facebook, post it on Instagram. Get the word out and tell them that there is new sheriff in town and you are the in charge. Number 4. Find a success buddy. To up your chances of success, find a person to whom you are accountable as you cement your new habit while you return the favor. Have a call or meet each other and trade your wins, losses, fixes, and solicit the feedback and hold each other accountable. Number 5. Competition and camaraderie. There is nothing like friendly contests to whet your competitive spirit and immerse yourself in new habit with a bang. Make friendly challenges with your friends, colleagues, and teammates. Think about how you can inject fun rivalry and a competitive spirit in your new habit. People enjoy this because they get shared experience and a sense of community and the fun camaraderie in the bargain. Number 6. Celebrate. There should be the time to celebrate and enjoy the fruits of your victories along the way. Reward yourself to stay motivated and book a pot of gold for yourself once you reach the end of the rainbow. Ordinary is easy. Extraordinary is what will separate you from the crowd. Thank you. If I add value today, please like and subscribe.